let's take up some word problems. Cost of tickets for a team of 12 players is rupees 62,208. Find the cost of each ticket. Which operation, whether it is plus or minus or multiplication or division, these are the four basic operations that we have to use. Now, in case of division, what we are given? Many, and we have to find out one or each. So, you will have to read the question very carefully in order to find the solution. Now, you can see here also the cost of tickets for a team of 12 players. So, this is the cost of 12 tickets, fine. So, many is given, yes, fine, and you have to find the cost of each matlab one. So, many is given, the cost of many tickets, and you have to find out the cost of one. So, this you will have to read the question carefully in order to find out which operation is to be used. Where always you will find, in case of division, you will have been given the value of many and one is to be calculated, fine. So, let us see. So, cost of 12 tickets is equal to rupees 62,208, fine. So, cost of 12 tickets and cost of one ticket is equal to 62,208 divided by 12, fine. So, by dividing it by 12, we can get the cost of one ticket. Now, let us see how to divide. So, 62,208 divided by 12. Now, what comes in the table of 12 less than this? 5s are 60, fine, subtract it, it is 2, this 2 will come down. So, 12 2s are 24, no, so it will be 1 only. Again subtract, 2 minus 2 is 0, 2 minus 1 is 1, then this 100. So, 12 in the table of 12 less than this, 8 ja 96, minus again. So, borrow, it will be 10, again borrow, it will be 10 and 9, 10 minus 6 is 4, 9 minus 9 is 0 and 0. Now, this will come down. So, it will be 448 and 0, fine. So, this is your answer, is equal to rupees 5184. So, this is the cost of one ticket, fine. After dividing, you have to find it out. So, cost of one ticket is 5,180. Let us take one more example. A book distributor orders 2363 books. He plans to evenly distribute the books to 17 bookshops. How many books will each bookshop receive? Here many books are given which is to be distributed among the bookshop. Each matlab one. So, you will have to find out how many books should be given to each book seller. The number of books are 2,363. Number of shops 17. Books received by each shop will be 2363 divided by 17, fine. Let us start the division. 17 and here it is 2, 3, 6 and 3. So first we will have to find out a number which is either equal to or less than this. So it is 1s are 17 minus 13 minus 7 is 6, fine. Now 6 will come down. Now we will have to find out something in the table of 17 which is less than or equal to 66. So it will be 3 ja 51, subtracted 6 minus 1 is 5 and 6 minus 5 is 1. This 3 will come down, 3, fine. So now it will be 9s are 153. So what is our quotient? So books received by each is 139. This is our answer. So in all the questions, many are given and we will have to find out the one or each. So you read the question carefully and then decide whether it is a subtraction or multiplication or division, fine.